had a disastrous run just now, so we're redoing the entire thing. We are tracking. We've got a load of satellites. All right, there's going. So we're gonna go track. We're gonna go start. All right, there's that. All right, Ruby, keep looking for cars. Okay, we're gonna go stop, read, 2 miles an hour. We're gonna redo that again. Track, 12 satellites still, and we're gonna start it. All right, so that's going. Battery, nothing has changed in the battery. Same 2800 milliamp 3S battery pack. There's the balance lead. There's the plug. I haven't made any changes to any of the hardware. It's all the same. The only thing, we're trying to go faster than 18 miles an hour. Okay, we have steering. Do the what, Woody? I've already done the steering. That's that there.
It moves though.
Okay, so we're gonna go up the street, hopefully. Anything better than 18 miles an hour we will take.
My God, there's a lot of cars today.
Alright, and now let's see, is it still going? Yes it is. So you hit stop and then you hit read. 37, and I was at half throttle only, and then the ice cream truck came out and your sister goes, "Can I get ice cream?" Oh my gosh. Okay, stop the video. That's what we're gonna send in.